Sa sweldo mong 50,000, nag-uupa ka pa rin? Stop wasting your hard-earned money sa rent. May mas magandang solusyon para sa'yo. You can own a 3-bedroom townhouse sa prime location. Watch until the end para malaman mo kung paano ito magiging sa'yo. And I have a surprise offer just for you. Ito ang Alice Townhouse, designed for modern professionals and growing families. Let's take a quick tour. 50 square meter last area and 40 square meter floor area. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, provision for carport, safe and flat-free community. And the best part, this is semi-finished unit. So pwede kang lumipat agad, plus the community is secured and near essential establishments like malls, hospitals, and schools. Sobrang convenient. If you pay 15,000 per month for rent for 5 years, that's 900,000 na nawala. Pero kung ipambayad mo na lang sa sarili mong bahay, owned mo na ang property mo. At dahil meron tayong pag-ibig financing, mas affordable ang monthly mo. Mas mura pa sa rental. Imagine mo to, may sariling bahay, no more rent. May peace of mind ang pamilya mo. Malapit sa trabaho, schools at mall. This is the best decision you can make today for your future. Pero may catch, limited units na lang at may price increase soon. Ayaw mo magsisi, di ba? Gusto mo malaman kung paano ito magiging sayo? Reserve your unit now and get a free move-in assistance. Message me right now for a free consultation and site viewing. Click the link below. This is Ami Balos, your trusted real estate agent, bringing you Cavite's best home deals. Don't wait, grab the opportunity now.